Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video we are going to talk about frequently asked questions about Windows 11. As you may already know, Microsoft have announced the new Windows, which is called Windows 11. We're gonna treat on this video the most asked questions regarding Windows 11, and we are going to answer them based on the information that Microsoft have released. But we are going to do our evaluations in the upcoming weeks for Windows 11. So please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to get more information about Windows 11 and different solutions that we provide for different IT problems. Let's start right away with the first question, which is what's the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11? So Windows 11 has the old power and security of Windows 10 with a redesigned and refreshed look. It also comes with new tools, sounds and apps. Every detail has been considered. All of it comes together to bring you a refreshing experience on your PC. Another question that is done very frequently is when can I buy a PC that comes with Windows 11 pre-installed? So PCs with Windows 11 pre-installed will be available later this year. How much does a PC with Windows 11 cost? Well, this also depends because many different manufacturers will offer a variety of devices that will run Windows 11 and all have different price. Another really important question is, will my accessories work with Windows 11? And according to Microsoft, your accessories that work with Windows 10 and meet the Windows 11 requirements, they should work with Windows 11. But we are going to treat in our channel in more detail this kind of problems with different accessories that you have used with Windows 10 and if they are compatible with Windows 11. Another issue that we are having these days is to check if our computer satisfies the requirements to install Windows 11. And actually, there are a few ways to find out if your current PC will get a free upgrade to Windows 11 and does your computer satisfy the minimum requirements. We have done a video regarding that, and please check on the description below and you can find the link about the minimum requirements that your computer have to satisfy to be able to upgrade to Windows 11. So when will we be able to upgrade Windows 11 on our Windows 10 device? If your existing Windows 10 PC is running the most current version of Windows 10 and meets the minimum hardware specification, it will be able to upgrade to Windows 11. The upgrade rollout plan is still being finalized, but for most devices already in use today, we expect it to be ready sometime in early 2022. Not all Windows 10 PCs that are eligible to upgrade to Windows 11 will be offered to upgrade at the same time. Actually, this will happen on the same way like it happened when we upgraded from Windows 8 to Windows 10. So we will be able to upgrade automatically our PCs, but we are having some issues actually to satisfy the minimum hardware specification, which for example is TPM 2.0, which have been shown that some users are having problem with that. But we will find a solution about that also, so please do not forget there is always a solution, or let's say a workaround. I'm gonna show you shortly which are these minimum requirements, which is, for example, the processor should be 1 GHz or faster, RAM should be 4 GB, and storage 64 or larger. Another problem that people are having right now is system firmware. You should have secure boot capable and at the same time UEFI, and this is having some issues for some users that want to install Windows 11. Another issue is TPM, which should be version 2.0, and I have a video regarding that. Please check on the description below the link about it. Another change that Microsoft have introduced, that in order to install Windows 11 Home, you may need a Microsoft account to complete device setup on first use. So please remember that when you will install Windows 11 Home, you will need a Microsoft account. Let's go back to some other questions that we would like to discuss about. So what if my PC doesn't meet the minimum hardware specification? Can we stay still on Windows 10? Actually, the good news is that we can still stay on Windows 10 till October 2025, where it will be the end of life for Windows 10. And actually, I would advise you, please do not go directly to Windows 11. Please check first how it will go, the first setups, and then let's consider upgrading our computers to Windows 11. How much does it cost to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11? Well, the good news is that we don't have to pay for that as long as we have already a license for Windows 10 and our computer satisfies the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11. We will not need to pay for that. We'll just upgrade it from the settings on Windows Update. We'll talk about that in the next videos. Another question that it's really important is that how long will the free upgrade offer last? Actually, based on my experience, this will last for a couple of years, and even that Microsoft doesn't say anything about that, but I think that like they did for Windows 10, for example, I can still upgrade my existing devices which are on Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10, and I can still do it for free. Is Windows 11 a Windows 10 replacement? So Windows 11 is the newest version of Windows, however we'll continue to support Windows 10 until October 2025. What this means that after October 2025 we need to consider moving to Windows 11. And what happens if I upgrade to Windows 11? What will happen to our files? Normally all the application and files will be transferred to the new Windows operating system. But to be sure, it's recommended backing up your files before installation. Can we go back to Windows 10 after I upgrade if I don't like Windows 11? Yes, after you have installed the Windows 11 upgrade, there is a 10-day period where you can move back to Windows 10 while keeping files and data that you brought along with you. After the 10th day, you will need to back up your data and do a clean install to move back to Windows 10. How long does it take to install Windows 11? Downloading and installing Windows 11 will most likely take longer than a typical Windows 10 feature update. You can use your PC while you are downloading Windows 11, and then you have the option to schedule the install to happen a specific time and you are not planning to use your PC. Another question, which is really good question, can a really old PC run Windows 11? Unfortunately, I believe that with these requirements that it's necessary to satisfy in order to upgrade to Windows 11, it will be a little bit difficult to move to Windows 11, specifically for some PCs which are old. Another question that I have seen a lot these days is that people that are on Windows 7 and Windows 8, they would like to upgrade directly to Windows 11. And actually, this will not be possible. You need to update the latest version of Windows, which is Windows 10, and it is the version 21H2, and then you will be able to upgrade your computer to Windows 11. So please upgrade first to Windows 10 and then you can upgrade to Windows 11. And I want to remind you guys that for Windows 7 and Windows 8 we don't have any more support from Microsoft, but we still have a lot of users that are using these operating systems. And if you are thinking to install Windows 11, you should go in this order. So basically that's all that I wanted to show to you guys. I hope that this video will clarify some of the questions that you have, and please leave your comments and your question below so we can discuss again what's not clarified. If you want to have a look on Windows 11, please check on my channel. I have many videos about Windows 11, the release date, and what is the view and the design of Windows 11, and many other features that are introduced to Windows 11. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. All the best. Thank you.